Welcome to Kira and Charlotte's cooking show. Today we're going to be making banana bread. First, to start, you have to take your bananas, peel them, and then put them into a pan to mash them. I can rip them apart. So you're going to peel the 2 bananas that you have, and then just mash them up with whatever you have lying around, like a fork. You can actually turn the video off now.
Okay.
And then once you have your fully mashed bananas that you did 100% by hand and did not use a mixer in any way, shape, or form, you take your eggs and you put them...
No, you don't. You take your butter.
You actually take the butter, and then you take the butter that you melted and you pour it right into the bananas. And then you're gonna mix that. And then next to your banana and butter mixture, you're gonna add the baking soda and your salt.
Just a pinch of it.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna mix it again.
For the next step, we're gonna have to add another 3 ingredients, which is gonna be our vanilla, our egg, and our sugar. But for this one, however, we're not gonna actually mix them by hand. You can just put it in the mixer. Try not to get your sugar literally everywhere by pouring it all out at once. And then we're gonna throw this in the mixer. And then we're gonna add one of our 2 final ingredients, which is the flour. However, for the flour, you're gonna have to add it in pieces so it doesn't go flying everywhere because Kira's kitchen is already a mess.
That's true. Also, you should probably mix this with the mixer too, but you can do it by hand.
Yeah. When you forget and you already start cleaning your whisk before you scrape off the sides, you hand mix the rest.
To make sure that there are no lumps of flour or anything in your banana bread because that tastes really gross when you bite into it. So now that you have everything mixed up, you're gonna add in your chocolate chips. We are using semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're not using that many because we don't want an uneven ratio of banana bread to chocolate chip.
And then you take your pre-panned pan because of movie magic and you scrape all of your banana bread into the pan. Woo! Yay!
Oh,
Exhilarating.
kind of hurting my arm. Now that you've put your banana bread in the oven, you should set a timer for 60 minutes. It may need up to an hour and 10 minutes.